For this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make cold porcelain clay on the stove. Now before we start the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. For this week, we're going to be making the cold porcelain clay and we're going to create it on the stove. So I'm going to try and do better with including the recipes. Hopefully I can put it at the corner, but you're going to use 1 cup of cornstarch. Now you can also use corn flour, which I think it's the same in the United States because there is corn flour where it's actual corn in Canada. And then we're going to also include 1 cup of glue. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of baby oil. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm just putting everything in once, and we'll try different ways. Oops. 1, 2. I'm just going to stir this around because I don't want it getting lumpy. If you're one of the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. So here's the clay just a day or 2 later. It's still really nice. Now one thing I wanted to tell you guys, I forgot that I had this clay. I made it a while ago and it's a toilet paper clay. You can see the color. Can you see that there's 2 colors? Now this one here has gone, it's not hard. I can still make earrings out of it. However, if I wanted it softer, all I would do is mix. I would mix these 2. I already finished it. And if you wanted it even softer, you just add more of the newer clay. No, there is a saying you do not mix old and new, but it's actually fine. This is one that has the paper pulp inside of it. So it has like a different tear, but yeah, there you go. So we're going to start making some jewelry just for Mother's Day. If you wanted to take me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to take me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you're able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the cold porcelain clay, I want you to check out these tutorials on the porcelain clay paper mache earrings, especially since Mother's Day is coming up. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, guys, and I will see you next week. Take care.